I should have seen the signs.
Dad,
We had a deal.
I know we did, but that was before it's all so messed up.
So everything in the ring.
Try those things! Those horrible, awful, sexy things!
No. A trick? A lie?
I screwed up. I should have told you before now. You take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless.
The dragon? That's what you're worried about? Not the people you almost killed?
He was just protecting me. He's not dangerous.
They've killed hundreds of us.
And we've killed thousands of them.
Try those things! Those horrible, awful, sexy things! It's fine. You'll move to another city, change your identity.
Oh, no. They defend themselves, that's all. They raid us because they have to. If they don't bring enough food back, they'll be eaten themselves. There's something else on their island, Dad. It's a dragon like
Their
never...
island? So you've been to the nest?
Did I say nest?
How did you find it?
But no, I didn't. Toothless did. Only a dragon can find the island. Oh, no, Dad, no, please. It's not what you think. You don't know what you're up against. It's like nothing you've ever seen. Dad, please. I promise you can't win this one. Dad, no. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You sicko!
No. You've thrown your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
I'm a tiger.
Ready to shift!